Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at kind of a weird Swiss Army knife. This is the Wenger Laser with Scissors is the name of the knife. Or it might be called the Wenger Laser. And as you might have guessed, it has a laser pointer on it. So let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Now, here's the knife. And this is the box they come in, such as it is. Alright. Now, here's kind of the weird thing about these. Wenger had this deal where they put the thing as like a plastic layer in the knife. And I haven't actually tested this one to see if it works. I'm assuming it needs batteries. So let's see. Danger, laser eye exposure, etc. Alright, so let's look at the rest of the knife before we tackle the actual laser itself. So this has this has a nail file. It's got the larger Wenger, it's got the large Wenger blade. And remember, in comparison to the Victorinox, it's a little broader. And also, this is a 85 millimeter versus the usual 91. We got scissors. We theoretically have scissors. Wow. These scissors don't want to come out. At least they have a good snap still to them. Alright, and so you have the scissors. And these are the Wenger style scissors where you have the lever here instead of the spring. And then you have the oh so aggressive looking can opener and the bottle opener with the screwdriver, and even they get in their little wire stripper. And on the back you have an awl. You have the awl and the corkscrew. And you have the toothpick and the tweezers. And remember, with the Wengers, the toothpick and the tweezers, the little nail nick kind of thing, they face inward instead of outward, like on the Victorinox. Alright, so obviously this needs the batteries to be replaced. Now, kind of a fun thing about this is these knives take quadruple A batteries. And you might be asking yourself, what is a quadruple A battery? Something that I asked myself a while back when I ran across the first one of these knives. And the answer to that is they're these. They're little bitty. They're like the littler cousins of double and triple A batteries. These are quadruple A batteries. And there's some things that take them, but not a lot. If I remember correctly, and I could be totally wrong, but you get like 6 of these little cells about this size inside of a 9-volt battery, I think. I could be wrong though. So anyway, in order to replace the batteries on this thing, what you got to do is there's a little like battery case thing, and the way you get to it is, let me see if it's showing up. There's a little slot right here, and what you do is you take the tweezers and you stick them in that slot, and if you stick them in the slot, it releases the battery case. And the batteries are dead, and they look to be corroded. This thing felt like it was probably heavy enough to have batteries in it, which was a concern for me. Alright, so the batteries are corroded a little bit, which is not super ideal. Ugh. Let's see. This is one of the dangers of That's one of the dangers of banging the thing that's holding your camera up. The dangers of buying older things that have batteries in them is that sometimes the batteries, well, obviously they get corroded. You get corrosion in the battery area, like so. So let's get this last battery out, and then it doesn't look too awful in there. It looks a little icky. So there's a bit of corrosion that's happened. As you can see. Let's see if these things work though. If we replace the batteries, if maybe it'll work. I had really good luck with the last flashlight one I bought. So I might be due for not being lucky on this one. Let's see. That one in there. That one in there. Did I not have them in right? Yeah, you can see from the paper here, a bit of corrosion was going on. Pop this out. Now flip things around. Like so. Still no laser. Okay. Well, it might need to be cleaned up some and see if we can get it working. This one might just be dead. What are the drawbacks of... Yeah, this one might be dead. Look at all the... Can y'all see right there? All that corrosion and stuff in there. And it looks like this plastic part split. So, interesting. Well, anyway, this is what one of the laser pointer knives is. Sadly, it's not a functional one, but kind of interesting looking. And the flashlights are the same. They actually, I have a flashlight that we can check out real quick too. This is the flashlight version. This one doesn't feel like it has batteries in it, but the flashlight's the same way. You have the flashlight, and you have the divider. This one doesn't have the scissors like the other one. Let's check it out. And this one's also apparently missing a toothpick. See, no toothpick. Let's see if this one has batteries in it. Doesn't look like it has batteries. Alright, so this one doesn't have any batteries in it. So let's test this one out. And you can check out the flashlight, even though we didn't get to see the laser work. Assuming the flashlight works, of course. Yeah, there you go. You can see the flashlight works, such as it is. So it's not bad. So I did have the batteries in the right way the first time. I'm guessing that all this corrosion right here got into the laser and messed everything up. Might be possible to clean that up, maybe. I'll take a look and see it later. But it's interesting. Anyway, let me know what you think. Do you think that these Wenger Swiss Army knives should have stuck around forever, or do you think they were on the weird side and maybe not destined for that much longevity? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if there are any really cool Swiss Army knives out there that you think I should check out, also let me know. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.